हेलो माय व्यूअर्स, आज हम आगे का पढ़ेंगे एनालिसिस ऑफ अकाउंटिंग. हियर आई विल टीच यू हाउ द ट्रांजैक्शन आर रिकॉर्डेड इन द टू एस्पेक्ट, दैट इज द डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट एस्पेक्ट. लेट्स स्टार्ट. First is the introduce rupees 1 lakh to the business, or in another way it can be say start business with cash rupees 1 lakh. The meaning of these two sentences are same. This is the transaction and we have to record it. How we will record, what are the procedure, what step to be followed, I will try to explain you. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. Okay, now first of all, you have earlier I had mentioned that business entity concept is different from its owner entity. These are two different things. Let us see. I will try to explain you what business is. A artificial person, and the owner, the person who start the business, is a natural person. Okay, first you try this. Business is a artificial person and the owner is a natural person. These two are different from each other. The owner is responsible to get the amount which he invested in the business in initially to the extent of capital he is invested. So let us try. We have introduced the 1 lakh to the business. Here मैंने पैसा लगाया है, पूंजी लगाया 1 लाख रुपया बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने के लिए. तो क्या आ रहा आपके पास है? बिजनेस है. ये देखो, ये बिजनेस है, ये अलग होता है और ऑनर अलग होता है. ये एक आर्टिफिशियल पर्सन है बिजनेस. ये भी पर्सन है पर ये आर्टिफिशियल, कृत्रिम मनुष्य ये है और ये नेचुरल है. तो पहले हम फर्स्ट देखेंगे बिजनेस इज ए आर्टिफिशियल पर्सन. बिजनेस के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखेंगे. लेट अस स्टार्ट. बिजनेस इज ए आर्टिफिशियल. व्हाट द बिजनेस इज गेटिंग व्हेन वी स्टार्ट द बिजनेस? ही इज गेटिंग द कैश. Now who is paying the cash here? Who is giving the cash? The owner, the natural person, is giving the cash to the artificial person. He is giving the cash to this artificial person. Cash is giving, and now the business has, the artificial person has got the cash, and what has gone here from there? इसको तो पैसा मिल गया, आर्टिफिशियल पर्सन को कैश मिल गया, और गया क्या इसमें है? कौन देने वाला था? हु इज द पर्सन? ही इज द ऑनर. Okay, honor is the natural person. Here it is a artificial. It is artificial, but here is the natural person. Instead of writing the natural person, you have to write here capital. Okay, cash is getting, the business has getting the cash from the owner, that is it in the form of capital. Okay, if you have any doubt, you write in the comment box. I will try to explain it again. Now look, the rules is saying that cash, what is the cash? Cash is a real account. It come under the real account. And what is the capital? Capital come under the personal account, under the traditional method. Okay, now what is the rule is telling for that per real account? Real account is rule is telling that the what's the debit the come in and credit the goes out. Now here in the personal account also, what the personal rule for personal account? Personal account, the rule is, what is the rule? Debit the receiver and credit the giver. Now here the 4 aspects is coming. Real account, cash is a real account and capital is a personal account. In the real account, 2 aspects, debit and credit, and personal account also debit and credit. The total 4 are there. Out of this 4 you have to take only 2 debit and 1 credit. 1 debit and 1 credit. 2 debits are here and 2 credits are here. So no need to write all the 4. You have to take one debit from this and one credit from this personal account, or it may be sometime the credit may be one account, real account, and from personal debit may be one account. So take one out of from this. The cash is coming to the artificial person. The cash is going to the artificial person. So write the what's come, debit, cash. Cash is debited. Now from this personal account you have to take a 1, or you may take a debit you already taken, so there is a need of taking the only credit. So in credit, what the giver, who is the giver? The owner is the giver. And owner, what the he is giving the capital, in the form of capital he is giving the money to the artificial person, that is a business. So here you have to write the capital. It is credited. Okay. If you have any doubt, student, tell me. I will try to explain it in another way. So next, look at the next transaction. Purchase goods for rupees 5,000 or bought goods for rupees 5,000. Again, the sentence, two sentences are written, the meaning are the same. Purchase means क्रैक खरीदा है, और brought in लाया है 5,000 का सामान. Now here what is coming with us? Purchase. Business को क्या मिल रहा है? This is the business. This is the artificial. What he is getting? Business has purchased the goods, है ना? The business has purchased. The artificial is purchased the goods. The business has getting the goods. Here you write the goods. But what is getting? The goods he is getting. But in artificial person it is a good. But it in artificial person you have to write here instead of good, purchase. Why we are writing purchase instead of good? Because he is paying the money. The business, the artificial person is paying the money. It is an expense for this artificial person to get the goods. So he has paid the money to get the goods or to purchase it, and he is paying, that is, he is the expenses for this business, and for paying the expenses then he is getting the goods. Purchase he got the goods. What has gone from the business? The cash has gone. देखो ये आर्टिफिशियल पर्सन को क्या मिल रहा है? परचेज किया उसने गुड्स को है, तो आर्टिफिशियल पर्सन को गुड्स मिला. गुड्स ना लिख के इसमें परचेज लिखें, क्योंकि ये पैसा खर्चा कर रहा है, व्यय कर रहा है, एक्सपेंसेस कर रहा है. तो एक्सपेंस जहाँ पे रहेगा वहाँ पे आपको परचेज लिखना है, और रेवेन्यू रहेगा तो वहाँ पे सेल लिखना पड़ेगा. तो ये परचेज खरीदा है, और क्या दिया है उसके बदले में? आर्टिफिशियल बिजनेस ने कैश दिया है. सो वी हैव रिटन हियर कैश. नाउ व्हाट इज द परचेज? परचेज इज ए nominal account, come under the nominal account. Now what is the cash? Cash is the real account. Again the same rule you apply. What is the rule? Debit come in, credit goes out. Nominal account. Under the nominal account, what is the rule? Debit the expenses and credit the revenue. अब ये 4 हो गए, 2 डेबिट इधर के हैं, 2 क्रेडिट इधर के हैं. तो लेकिन लेना कितना हमको? इसमें से 4 में से सिर्फ 2 लेना, 1 डेबिट एंड 1 अनदर क्रेडिट. लेट अस सी नाउ वी व्हाट इज द व्हाट परचेज. द बिजनेस हैज परचेज. व्हाट द बिजनेस इज कमिंग टू द बिजनेस. बिजनेस को क्या मिल रहा है? वो आर्टिफिशियल पर्सन को क्या मिल रहा है? आर्टिफिशियल पर्सन को बिजनेस में परचेज मिल रहा है. दैट यू हैव टू राइट द परचेज. He is getting the purchase, that is debited. And next cash. What is for getting the goods? What he is paying? He is paying in the form of cash. Cash is going out. So one we have taken from this, and another from where here we have to take. Okay, that is the now look. they had a purchase is a nominal account. Nominal account में debit the expenses. This is the expense. Okay, it is expense and expense should be debited. And now what is the from here we have taken the one account debit, and here we have to take a one credit from this real account. This is the credit. What goes out? क्या जा रहा business के पास? That is cash. Okay, cash is going on. It should be credited. Okay, now another, let's see. Sold goods for cash rupees 2000. Here the business is selling the goods for rupees 2000. How we will write here? Again, तो बेच रहा है. Now he is selling. He is getting the money, that is cash. What is going out from the business? That is going out from the business is goods. Instead of goods, you have to write here sale. Okay, here when we purchase the goods, you have to write the purchase word. Instead of goods, you have to write purchase, and here instead of goods, here you have to write the sale. The business is selling the goods. When he sell the goods, he get the cash, and what is going out from that business? It is the goods, means it is the sale. Now, what is the cash? Cash is a real account. And what is the goods or is sale? Sale is a nominal account. What is the rule for nominal account? Debit the expenses and credit the revenue. And what is the rule for real account? Real account is debit comes in, credit goes out. Okay, now you have to first the real account. Look at the real account. What is coming in? Cash is coming in. कैश को लिख लिया, कमिंग कैश आ रहा है. सेल मैंने बताया, दैट इज सेल इज द रेवेन्यू. व्हेन वी सेल इट बिकेम रेवेन्यू, एंड व्हेन वी परचेज गुड इट बिकेम द एक्सपेंसेस अंडर द ट्रेडिशनल मेथड. इन बोथ इन टी एंड एम मेथड इट इज कंसिडर्ड एज ए एक्सपेंस एंड रेवेन्यू. आय व्यय माना गया है. क्रय और विक्रय, खरीदने और बेचने को एक को आय एक को व्यय माना गया है. तो इसमें आपका जो है द here is coming in, what is cash is coming in. Business when selling the goods, the business is getting the cash, and what is going out from that business? That is the sale. That is goods is going out. Okay, means it is the revenue. One debit here from we have taken, and one credit from here we taken. So it's mean it is debited and it is credited. Okay, now another transaction. Purchase goods from Akshay rupees 1000. Okay, now here look at the sentence carefully and try to understand. Here the purchase is made from the Akshay. Here I had taught that purchase is goods from the purchase goods for rupees 5000. No name is mentioned from whom we are purchasing. Here only we pay the cash, we pay the amount, we pay the money, and we get the goods. Here the name is mentioned. Okay, Akshay. It means the difference of these two transactions means that we have purchased the goods from the Akshay and we have to pay this money to him in future. And here we have already goods, though no name is mentioned, we have purchased the goods on cash basis, and this is on the accrual basis. Okay, get it? ये उधारी में खरीदे हैं, और परचेज जब हम खरीदे हैं जिसमें नाम नहीं लिखा है वो हमने नकदी में खरीदा है. तो now look at this, how to deal with this transaction. Let's say what is the business has purchased the goods. Here the purchase that is goods. Now for purchasing the goods, what the business has spent? He spent the money? No, he did not spend the money because he purchased on the credit. ये उधारी में खरीदा है. तो उधारी वाला जो हमारा क्रेता क्रेडिटर, here you have to write the name. If he has purchased the goods on cash, then here you have to write the cash. But he has not purchased the goods on cash. Instead of cash, you have to write the rupee here आकाश. वहाँ पे हमने बताया था मैंने, ये इसने नकदी में खरीदा है, इसीलिए हमने कैश लिखा. यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे कैश लिखा है, और इसमें यहाँ पे उसने उधारी में खरीदा है, तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे अक्षय. Okay, now the rules, what the rules is telling? Rules is telling purchase is the nominal account, and what is who is the Akshay? Akshay is a personal नाम है ना. So what is the rules telling here? Again, debit the expenses, credit the revenue. And what is the personal account telling? Personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Okay. Now look, from here we have to take one aspect, and from here we have to take one aspect. Okay. Now purchase is already identified. It is the expense. It come under this. Purchase, when it is expensive, it should be debited. Now what is the personal Akshay? Akshay is the giver here. Who is the Akshay? Akshay is the giver. He is giving the goods to business on credit. Credit the Akshay. Akshay should be credited. Okay. Here it is credited. From one we have taken from the nominal account, and another we have taken from the personal account. Okay. Now next, another transaction I will try to explain. Sold goods to Sohan Lal, rupees 500. Here the goods are sold to Sohan Lal. Here look at this question. Here the goods are sell on cash basis. It is written here, the cash word is written. The goods are sold on the cash basis. When he sell the good, instantly he get the money. But here he is selling the goods to Sohan Lal. Sohan Lal को बेच रहा है, नाम लिखा हुआ. That means he is selling the goods on credit. So what he is getting? When we sell the goods, what we get? Usually we get the cash, because we are dealing with नकदी में हम सारा डील करते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे उधारी में हो रहा है. तो बिजनेस के पास से क्या गया और क्या आया? सोहन लाल इज कमिंग, क्योंकि इसने कैश नहीं दिया है. एंड व्हाट इज गोइंग आउट? गुड्स, दैट इज सेल्स. Okay. Now again, Sohan क्या है? Personal account. And what is the sale? Sale is again nominal account. What is the rule? Here the personal account is telling the rule is debit the receiver, credit the giver, and in nominal, debit the expenses and credit the revenue. Now Sohan Lal come under the personal account. Sohan Lal is the business is receiving Sohan Lal. Business को क्या रिसीव हो रहा है? Sohan Lal रिसीव हो रहा है, क्योंकि इसने पैसा नहीं दिया है, तो इसको पकड़ेंगे हम. We hold that person. We are not getting the cash, so we hold the Sohan Lal. Now what? First we have taken one aspect from this personal account, another from this Sales means nominal account. Another, from here we have to take one aspect. Now sale is what? It is a revenue or expense. From this you have to decide. It is a revenue. Then it should be like this, sales. Sales will be credited, here credit written and here is a debit written. Okay? I think you have understand little bit my way of teaching. If you have any doubt, write in the comments box. I will see that comment. I will try to clear that doubt.